everyone, welcome back. Today I have a very exciting unboxing to share with you. I have made a Chanel purchase, as you can see, from a consignment store called Luxe Du Jour, and I have actually sold bags to them. They are based in Canada, so it makes it really convenient for those of us who live in Canada to sell to them. So I've sold several bags to them this year. I just haven't really felt like selling directly to individuals. I just haven't had time. It's a lot of time and effort and risk that I didn't really want to deal with. So I sold a bunch of bags to them, and it was so quick and easy. So I was really impressed, and this is my first purchase from them. So I highly recommend them, and I will leave their website down below and their Instagram handle if you want to check them out, especially if you're in Canada. They have a great selection, and we don't have to worry about shipping internationally or customs or anything with them. And they did give really good buyout prices for my items, and they offer a buyout price or a consignment price, kind of like Fashion File. Yeah, so anyway, I just thought I'd let you know about them in case you hadn't heard of them before. Like I said, they're called Luxe Du Jour, and this is my first purchase from them. So this is an item from 21S. Yes, another item from 21S. I know I said I was done with 21S. This is an item that I didn't realize I wanted until it was long sold out in Canada, and then when I saw Luxe Du Jour had one, I was like, oh, I have to get it because, anyway, I'll show you the item and then you'll understand. But anyway, I wanted to show you, it was packaged really nicely. I took it out of the cardboard box because I didn't want to bring that inside, but it came with this really pretty turquoise tissue paper, my favorite color, and a thank you card. So let me just put all of that aside. Really nice packaging, and it came in a branded white cardboard box with Luxe Du Jour's logo inside, not on the outside. Okay, so here is the box. I'm really excited about this. Here is the dust bag, and it came with the Care Booklet, and this is a new bag, new condition. To reveal, here is my new Chanel rectangular mini top handle in black caviar leather with the aged gold hardware. So after I got my silver one, if you saw that unboxing a while ago, I got the silver mini top handle from 21S and loved it so much more than I thought I would. And then thought that I really wanted another one in caviar, and I thought the black would be a good option. By then, I contacted all of the SAs I work with, and it was just sold out. It had been sold out for a while. So anyway, I kept my eye out, and the prices were really really high for this because it's a caviar mini. Chanel hasn't done caviar minis in a few years, so it's yeah, it's a difficult one to get your hands on at a reasonable price. And yeah, Luxe Du Jour had it, and had it for the best price, and was within Canada, so I jumped on it. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I love it. Let's open it up. So let's see. It is a 31 series, and it was made in Italy. That looks perfect. It's got all of the plastic is still on the hardware. Perfect condition. Wow, I love it so much. I'm gonna keep this short, but yeah, I'm just really happy to have this piece. I love minis, and I love caviar leather. I mean, lambskin is beautiful, but caviar is my favorite, and having the top handle on this mini, I didn't realize how much I would love that. Like, I love top handle crossbody bags, so this just is a perfect combination for me. And yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. It looks perfect. Thank you so much, Luxe Du Jour. I am so happy with it. Yeah, definitely check them out. I'm really impressed with them. So now I've bought from them and sold with them, and they're really responsive and friendly when you ask questions. The turnaround time is so fast. And this isn't a sponsored video. I just really have been impressed with them. So I will definitely work with them again, and probably will sell a couple things with them soon. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to keep this short. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again, and have a great day.